Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel online learning platform. So this is the part 4 of unit digit problem. If we got the reminder that is not 0, not 1, or we can say the reminder is 4, 5, 3, 2, any other number. So how we can this type of problem? This means this is the directly simply implementation of rule 3, that is I raised to the power of r. I is the unit place number of x. If you are not familiar to this term, you must watching videos previously 1 2 3 problems of unit digit, then you will get better idea of understanding. So unit digit problem and r is the remainder. So let's take any kind of example for better understanding. Let's suppose we have the problem of 7 and 71, and if as you know, in gate or any kind of competitive exam, calculator is not allowed, strictly prohibited, like in head exams, HSC exam, any kind of scholarship exams. So we take y. Let's generalize this y, x as into power of y. So we can say y is always divided by 4, that is 71 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. We know 7 minus 4 is 3. Let's write this term as it is. 4 sevens are the nearest term. In 4 table there is no division by 31. So we can take the nearest term, the nearest number. You can say 28. So 31 minus 28 is 3. Now you got the remainder, that is r. So how we can this kind of problem? I am already told you, I raised to power r. So r is 3. What is I? I is unit place digit. Whatever the number is x, that is going to be I. If we have 72, so we can take only unit digit 2. 2 raised to power 3. That's your answer. But this is single number, unit digit single number. So you can take 7 and remainder is 3. So 7, what is the 7 of 3 time is 343. Now again you can take unit digit, that is 3. So your final result is 3. Okay, I think you will get better understanding of this kind of problem. If you are not understanding, please comment and I will take another. I am going to be make another video for this kind of version, so you will take benefit of it. So please subscribe my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, do share with your classmate, students, candidates, other who are going to be process of job hunting or any kind of going taking the test in future, planning for test in future, any kind of government test. Thank you very much. Take care.